Howdy, y'all. It got cold in Tennessee.
Yeah. We're back again, and we're going to do a quick video. I know y'all are like, yeah, right. We're doing a chugging contest.
Yeah, we haven't chugged in a while.
Yeah, so...
And we've never chugged a shock top.
No. So we're going to chug the Shock Top Sunset Orange.
Which are delicious.
Yes.
But they're kind of a lot of carbonation.
They are.
So we did let them get warm as we normally do. I'm guessing that there's going to be some burpage.
Yeah. So at least there's that.
Yeah.
So what we decided to do was chug this at the same time to see who wins, and then as Josh said, almost guaranteed there will be burping at the end. Mm-hmm. Because these are very carbonated.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, somehow or another we ended up downwind from our dog's area, and it smells like a horse stable.
Who are roughly 230, 240 pounds combined.
Yeah, so
and there are two of them.
Kind of like we have horses. They're horse-sized, one of them is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready? Are you counting it or something since you have to do your...
No, you count while I do my...
Well, you gonna be ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right, we'll go on 3. 1, 2, 3, and then go. Okay.
Wait a second. You got me tickled.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
I don't think I said anything particularly funny.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. So tingly.
Oink. Oink.
I wish I could do it that fast.
Oh, by like a second. Damn.
Oink.
You want me to punch you?
No.
We had meatloaf for dinner too, and I'm burping that up. That's not so good. Meatloaf was good, but the burp's not.
Yeah. It's kind of heavy on you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oink.
At least I won on the burps.
You did. I don't even know if I'm going to get one. Which, I mean, I will at some point. I can feel it.
I never claimed to be ladylike or well-behaved. But isn't there a saying like well-behaved women
Like rarely make history or something?
Oink.
Yeah, so.
Our camera's going fuzzy. It looked like it went fuzzy again. It's doing that. It didn't do it the last videos, but for some reason it did it a second ago.
Huh.
While he's still trying to work up his burps, I've been seeing shadows and stuff in the house, so.
I don't know if I'm going to get one out.
I'm a little spooked today because I saw one today. I thought it was him after he was done running with his mom, and nobody was there.
It's going to be disappointing, but I don't think I have it.
Well, at least I won the burps.
Yeah, you win burps, I won chug, so. Well, maybe different now. Do what? It's just, we should just be glad nothing came with it.
You probably won that one too.
Well, yeah, I guess. Now.
Oh, God.
Okay. Well, anyway. All right. Well, we've got a. Yeah, it is. We've got an Oktoberfest taste test for our next round of beer video. So, anyway, hope you guys laughed at that too. See ya.
Peace out.